Hi everyone, Nisi Harmon here of Whatsshecreating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to remove as well as install your sewing needle for the Kenmore 385 series sewing machine. So the first thing you need is one of the sewing machine needles. Now this one, as you can see, let me give you a little bit of information about this particular type of needle. It has a larger head that kind of looks like a baseball bat, and then at the bottom there is a hole in the center. And so my needle is straight. There are no curves, there are no wrinkles, there's nothing going on with my needle besides it being straight. All right. Next thing you'll need to do is you don't necessarily have to turn your machine on in order for this process to happen. So we'll look at this lever here, and you turn it up in order to tighten it, and you turn it left in order for it to be loose. So you're going to insert your needle as such. You're going to, oh, forgot to tell you this. The front, if you turn your needle to the side, you will see that there's a flat part, and then if you slowly turn it, you'll see that it's kind of like a curved part. So if I turn it to the side, you'll see the flat part here, and then there's like a curved part here, flat part there, curved part here, flat part there, curved part here. So we're going to make sure that the curved part is facing us, and usually the curved part kind of has a number on it. It tells you the size of the needle, and the flat part is facing to the back. So we're going to turn it like this, and you should see your hole at the bottom. And we're going to actually, let's see, we have to pull the hand wheel up a little bit, and we're going to insert it here. Now you may have to loosen this a bit, but there is a small hole here, a small hole right there. We're going to insert it in like that, and you're going to push it up as far as it will go. Hopefully my hand's not in the way. So push it up as far as it will go, and then you turn it up or to the right until you tighten it. You can't tighten it anymore. So therefore you have installed your needle. If you want to take it out to be able to change the size of the needle, or your needle broke, then you would turn it down or turn it to the left, and you may have to pull your hand wheel up a little bit and take it out. And that was easy peasy, right? So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Subscribe to my page. Leave us a message. Let us know what you think about our videos. Have a happy sewing journey. Goodbye for now.